Hey, this is David Benjamin. Today I'm going to be reviewing a supplement called Qualia Skin, which is a supplement for skincare health and skin really hydration, elasticity, and firmness. Long story short, before I do this quick review, I actually worked in the health and wellness skincare space for a period of 4 or 5 years full time. So I have a really good understanding of skincare products, skincare quality, nutrition, and foods that benefit skin health, all these kinds of things. And it's been something that has sort of been indoctrinated in me because I've worked within this space for so long. So I was excited to try this product just to see if I felt or noticed or saw any differences in my skin. And I'm happy to say that my skin does feel tighter and more toned, meaning like it's tighter and on my skin, like it fits better, if you will. And I feel like it's more hydrated as well. So I feel like Qualia Skin has hydrated and toned my skin better. And when you look at the ingredients, it's easy to understand why. So I'll share the ingredients with you and kind of give you a little tidbit on the ingredients that I think are valuable and worth understanding. By the way, for frame of reference, my skin, I am 32 years old. So I probably could have better skin, probably could have worse skin, but I'm grateful because my skin is quite healthy overall, and I feel like Quality Skin really helped with that. So I'll share with you some of the ingredients. So first things first, biotin, iron, zinc, selenium, copper, manganese, chromium, and molybdenum. So a lot of these nutrients are nutrients that vegans or vegetarians are deficient in. So if you happen to be a vegan or vegetarian or not eat a lot of animal protein, that already alone is going to help you because your body is getting things, nutrients that you may not have or may be deficient in simply because of dietary restrictions that you choose. So that's a good thing. That's kind of the start of this. It also has aloe vera inner leaf juice powder in it. Aloe vera is incredible for the skin. It's a it's hydration, so it helps to hydrate the body and hydrate the skin, and it's anti-inflammatory, and it contains vitamin D. Aloe vera actually contains vitamin D. Most people don't know that, and it's just incredible for the skin. Obviously, when we use it topically, we see that, but when we take it internally, it benefits our colon and gut lining health, which allows for nutrients to be absorbed, which allows for that glow and that shine to show on our skin externally. So I love that they have aloe vera leaf in here. They have amla fruit extract in here. Amla fruit is one of the richest vitamin C fruits in the world. It's a beauty fruit that's used in Ayurveda. And we all know in India, people have beautiful skin, beautiful hair, and amla berry is a staple over there. So it's something that we can include more in our diet. So amla berry along with aloe vera leaf. Next, we have sea buckthorn fruit extract. I first learned about sea buckthorn skincare when I was working in the skincare industry, and there were skincare products and skincare, both internal and external sea buckthorn products. And the reason sea buckthorn is so valuable is because it has omega 3, 6, 7, and 9. So the range of omega fats in this within sea buckthorn is incredible for your skin health and for just filling in those fat gaps, if you will, to make the fat in the skin elastic and healthy and hydrated and all that kind of stuff. So I love that sea buckthorn is in here too. L-orthanine, astropure, pomegranate fruit extract, pomegranate and orange. So the citrus and the pomegranate are great because citrus has lots of different bioflavonoids and cofactors and things that are really beneficial for the skin health. And then, what was it? Pomegranate fruit extract is amazing because it's a nitric oxide booster and enhancer. So what that does is it helps your circulation in your body, enhances it so that the nutrients in your circulation can travel to the surface of your skin to do what they need to do to heal, to repair, to recover, and whatnot. So, and then also there's some red grapes extract, rosemary. So a lot of antioxidants in here. I've noticed hydro peach, peach fruit extract, bamboo stem and leaf extract. Bamboo leaf and stem is rich in silica. Silica is amazing for not only the skin, but the hair and the nails as well. So that's really exciting and cool that they have that in here. And then lycopene from tomatoes, which is great for the skin and cardiovascular health and heart health and things like that. So what I love about this product is that the formula has a nice range of vitamins and minerals, fruits and berries that have like different antioxidants and minerals and vitamin C and all these different things, and also silica from bamboo, and then aloe vera, and then the omega fats. So it's got a really nice, really wide range of nutrition, and I just like it. It just works. My skin feels softer. My skin feels like it has like a nice firmness to it. It feels like my skin is more toned, like it's tighter on my face. I had some more lines and wrinkles that I feel like it kind of reduced and minimized, which I'm really grateful for. So anyways, this is Qualia Skin. I'm a huge fan of this brand. Qualia Night and Qualia Mind are my two favorite products from them. I really like this as well, just for like a beauty product. But I love it. So anyways, Qualia Skin, 2 thumbs up. 5-star review. Absolutely love it. I'll put a link below along with a discount code so you can check it out and grab some if you want to try it out. Hope you have an amazing rest of the day. Bye.